Even though we saw an uptick today, things are far from getting better for Tesla. There's Tesla's missing cash, insiders jumping ship, and competition that's beating it down. Over $1 billion in Tesla's funds can't be tracked, making folks question what's happening inside. The stock's crashing, with Elon Musk's brother and other big shots selling shares fast, while Europe's sales have tanked by more than half. Here's the real deal. This could be the end of Tesla's hot streak. Later, we'll dig into why Tesla's losing its grip, how China's BYD is taking charge, and if a last-second India move can stop the stock slide. There's a small chance it could pull through, but it's looking rough. Hit subscribe. This is a full breakdown of why Tesla stock might be done. The numbers are ugly. Tesla's growth is stuck, and profits are shrinking because they're slashing prices to push cars out the door. China's BYD is killing it, racking up over $100 billion in sales with cheap, solid EVs that buyers can't resist. In Europe, Volkswagen and BMW are outselling Tesla, and Musk's Trump chatter is pushing customers away. That missing $1 billion is a huge red flag. People are wondering if Tesla's money game is falling apart. On top of that, Tesla's still taking bookings for the Roadster, promised back in 2017, but it's nowhere in sight, ticking off fans. Wall Street's losing it. There's a tiny stock boost today with talk of tariff breaks, but it's a drop in the bucket. China's holding up Tesla's self-driving tech trials, waiting for approval, and insiders selling out just makes it worse. Posts online are calling it a disaster. Is this a rough patch, or is Tesla's big run toast? Let's dive into what's really going on with Tesla stock right now. Tesla stock is down more than 35% since January 1st, and people say Musk's too tied up to save it. He's juggling X, SpaceX, and stirring the pot with Trump talk, stuff that's tanking sales in Europe big time. Some think Tesla needs a new boss, like Drew Baglino or Gwynne Shotwell, to step in. Could dumping Musk fix this? Or would it just break Tesla more? The cash problems are stacking up. That missing $1 billion has folks talking about audits, and Tesla's price cuts are hurting profits instead of boosting sales. China's BYD just dropped a Tesla killer sedan, half the price of a Model 3, and Tesla's sales are slipping. In Europe, sales are down over 50%, while Chinese EVs are taking over. Tesla's self-driving tech, hyped as the future, is stalled. China's holding it up, and Europe's got issues too. It's losing its tech edge fast. Then there's the insider chaos. Kimball Musk and Tesla's money guy dumped tons of stock, right when it's already down 40%. People on X are saying Tesla's a dead man walking as BYD surges ahead. Big investors are cutting back too, selling off shares quietly. Is this just cashing out, or do they see a train wreck coming? Even Tim Walz flipped on Tesla stock after joking about it. Now he's checking his own funds. There's one big news coming from India that could change things around, but we'll get to that in a minute. Tesla used to own the EV game, but now it's getting smoked. China's BYD isn't just close, it's winning, pumping out cheap EVs with top-notch batteries Tesla can't touch. With over $100 billion in sales, BYD's going global, while Tesla's stuck cutting prices and losing steam. The stats are rough. Tesla's European sales crashed over 45%, hit hard by Musk's Trump ties and a wave of cheap Chinese cars. BYD's new sedan is a Tesla killer, loaded with features for half the cost, and Tesla's self-driving dreams are stuck in neutral, waiting for China's okay. People online are all over BYD's rise, and Tesla's not fighting back strong. That billion-dollar mystery? It's making Tesla look shaky when it needs to hit hard. The Roadster delay, still not here since 2017, just adds to the mess. Tesla's slipping everywhere. In China, local brands are crushing it, and in Europe, old car makers and newbies are winning out. And then there's a new documentary that's coming out about Tesla's inner workings, but it might just show more cracks. If Tesla can't step up its tech or fix its cash, it could fade from the top spot it built. But there's a wild card: India. Tesla's hooking up with Tata Group to jump into India's hot EV market. Could this save Tesla's bacon, or is it too late? Next, we'll see if India can pull Tesla through, or if it's just more big talk. Stay tuned. Tesla's in hot water, but it's got one play left: India. With a fresh deal through Tata Group, Tesla's building a supply chain in a country going nuts for EVs. India's government is throwing out tax breaks and deals, making it a goldmine waiting to happen. If Tesla nails this, it could cover losses from Europe and China. But here's the catch. Can Tesla actually make it work? It's a hard road. India's buyers want cheap rides, and Tesla's high-end cars don't match up. Local players like Tata Motors and Mahindra are already on top with low-cost options, leaving Tesla in the dust. To win, Tesla needs a budget EV made in India, something it's hinted at but hasn't delivered. The Tata deal's a start, but turning it into sales is a fight. Online, people are split. Some call it a genius move, others say it's a Hail Mary. Time's not on Tesla's side. The stock's getting hammered by insider sales, that missing billion, and BYD's global takeover. India could be a win if Tesla moves quick. Cheaper parts, local plants, a car that fits. Where's Tesla headed? If India pays off and Musk gets it together, there's a slim shot at a comeback. But with competition and trust fading, it's a long shot. But if it flops, it's another bust in a string of bad breaks. Investors are on edge. Can Tesla make this stick, or is it just hype while the fire spreads? The Guardian's saying Tesla's EU slump ties to Musk's Trump moves. India's got to work. Tesla's stock is barely hanging on, and now protests are turning up the heat. Groups like Tesla Takedown are storming showrooms across the US and beyond. They're furious about Musk's Trump ties and his push to slash government jobs. Some wave signs saying Musk out, others smash windows and set chargers on fire. Sales are already tanking, 50% down in Europe, 29% in China, and this chaos could drag Tesla stock even lower. Can it survive this mess? The anger's loud and clear. People say Musk's power, built on Tesla's success, is hurting regular folks, and they're ditching his cars fast. Online, owners are selling Teslas, sticking "sold before Musk flipped" notes on them to dodge the backlash. Musk's fighting back, calling it nuts on X, but the crowds are only getting bigger. Trump's jumping in, promising to crack down on the mayhem, and even showing off a Tesla to prop up Musk, but it's not calming things down yet. Politico's pointing out Europe's sales drop ties to Chinese EVs surging too. This isn't just noise, it's a real hit. Tesla used to be the green car champ, but now it's a target. Showrooms are freaking out, buyers are walking away, and the stock's lost nearly half its value since last year. If Tesla can't shake this hate, its brand could be toast. Protests are showing how quick fans can turn when the boss picks fights. It's hitting right when Tesla's weakest, and investors are spooked it could tank confidence even more. So is Tesla stock done for? It's got cash and loyal fans, but protests, BYD's rise, that missing billion, and now this film are a brutal combo. India's a slim chance, but the streets and screens are screaming louder than any plan. Can Tesla push through, or is this the crash that sticks? Tell me your take. Subscribe for more real talk.